friends! The craft duo has a new project today, right, Sue?
Yes, that's right, Sammy. We're gonna make the best clay cakes you've ever seen. First thing first, we have to prepare the basic ingredient, colorful clay. Flatten the balls like this. Not too thick and not too thin, like you would do with a dough. We'll use a rolling pin and a little magic. Then, cut each flattened clay ball with this ring cutter and remove the remaining clay. On to the next color. Sammy will do the same with the rest of them. Now, we're gonna put the 6 clay pieces into a stack, starting from the pink one. Look, friends, the colors are so pretty, right? Let me just make them stick well to each other. Now we have a clay cake base. Yup, we're gonna need one more. They're pretty much the same.
Whoa, that was some magic, Sue! Awesome!
Hey, Sammy, can you guess what type of cake will we make first?
Ooh, I don't know, Sue! Is it a birthday cake? I mean, I don't see any reasons for it to be a wedding cake.
No. Guess again. In the meantime, I'll flatten another clay ball. Rolling up, rolling down.
Then maybe it's a Halloween cake?
Oh, come on. We've passed Halloween already.
That's tough.
Okay, we need to cut the flattened clay into strips. I'm using a ruler to do that. Try to make the strips equal in size and fix the edges. So, Sammy, any more guesses? Look at what I'm doing here. It's a hint for you.
Oh, please, Susie, just tell me already. Don't be so mysterious.
Oh, in that case, you'll have to be a little patient to see it when it's done. Oh, can you help me roll this ball into a clay string, please?
Ha! That's easy peasy for a craft genius like me.
I knew I could count on you. In the meantime, I'll do the same with this clay ball. Would you just check out this huge clay string I've got?
The yellow string is done too, and it's amazing.
Thank you, Sammy. It looks great. Now we're gonna braid them. I'll just twist them like this. Nothing's complicated here. This pretty thing is gonna be the cake border. It's a part of the decor.
La la la.
Sammy, what are you doing?
I heard you say braid, so I thought it's time for my drama practice.
I was talking about the cake decor. Wait, I didn't know you were acting. I thought you'd help me a lot today. There's still so much to do here.
I'm so sorry, Sue, but my audience would be disappointed if don't practice my acting for the drama performance.
Oh, okay, but don't take too long. I won't manage here without you.
Aw, that's flattering. I'll be right back.
Alrighty. In the meantime, I'm gonna do this. We need these tiny dots for the cake decor as well. And now we're back to the clay strips. You're already familiar with the technique, friends. The dots and strings are ready in 5 bright colors, but we need 6 more clay balls again. I'll just roll the clay ball with my both hands and shape it into an egg-like shape. Well, what holiday is this cake dedicated to? It's Easter! Right you are! Look, this will be a rainbow polka dot egg. Oh, I wish Sam is not so busy with his drama performance so he could see this. He just loves the decorated Easter eggs. The best part is, you can choose your own color combination. Just be as creative as you want. I'm gonna try a different style with the blue egg. There you go. The more the merrier, right? And for the last touch, we need some green clay. Part the clay strips. Put a few together and you'll get some pretty wisps of grass. Oh, our first cake is so pretty! It's good that it's made of clay. I could have never eaten such a beautiful thing.
Hey! I'm not gonna let you take my bride! I will fight you! Stop right there! I'm Samuel of Craftingham. I'm not afraid of monsters or any evil for that matter. Hey!
I guess someone got into the character way too much, but we need to make one more cake.
Susie, I found that thing lying on the floor. I thought you might need it.
Great! Thank you. This time, as you can see, we're dealing with the brown clay. Let's cut out the shape now. This carved brown clay will go to the top of the cake, like this. I will make it look like it's melting. You can use tweezers or a crafting knife to stick the rolls on the cake side. Check this out, friends. It looks so real, doesn't it?
Wait for me, my lovely princess. Your brave knight be with you soon. Sue, are these yours? They're blocking my way.
Oh, you found them! They're for the cake decoration.
Can't stay here too long, Susie. I have a princess to save. Catch up with you later, okay?
So, I guess the drama practice hasn't finished yet. Okay, I'll be here.
I am Sammy the Conqueror. Victory at last.
So how was the drama practice?
Sue, it was intense, chaotic, emotional, and impressive.
I bet it was. Are you now free to help me with the clay cake again?
Oh, I'm so ready to help you now, Sue. Here, I brought the knife.
Great! Now I can cut the messy clay edges here. And I want to make these rainbow strings more interesting by curling these ends. Like this! My favorite glitter will add even more cuteness to the cloud. And just like that, the rainbow clay cake is ready.
The right angle is locked. Rolling the ball. Strike! Yes! Crushed it!
What is going on here, Sammy? Have you been playing with the clay balls again?
Oh, Susie. When I see balls in colors, I can't help but make them roll.
Well, you gotta stop it. I need them for our next clay cake.
Okay. You can have your clay balls. Greedy.
All right. As always, we'll start by making a clay cake base. Flatten the yellow clay and cut it into 3 equal plates. There you go.
I wanna see. Let me see. Whoa. Ouch. I'm all right, I think. That clay ball, on the other hand.
Don't worry, Sammy. I need it to be flat anyway.
Really? Oh, phew. What a relief.
You didn't ruin anything. Instead, you've helped me, actually. So thank you. Now, can you guess what the decorations will be for this cake? I will give you a hint. I will sculpt these little plates this way. So any thoughts yet? You're right, friends. Now, I'll add a few flowers to the side of the cake. And a really big flower goes on top. We're gonna balance the variety of colors with a touch of white. 6 twisted rings are going into the petal bowls.
Sue, do you think I could maybe help from over here? You know, to avoid any more mishaps.
Absolutely. Do you think you can make me 6 small balls from this red clay?
Yes. I'm ready to tackle anything you throw my way, Sue.
Awesome! I'll make tiny, teeny little stems. Here we go. These are pretty red cherries. Our 3rd clay cake is ready.
Whoa, awesome! Let's see all of them now.
By the way, can you now figure out the theme of the very first cake from today, Sammy?
Oh, that's easy. It's Easter egg basket cake. The Easter bunny would be thrilled.
That's right. Let's cut the cake and see how it looks in a slice. Amazing!
Hurry up, Sue. I want to see the slice of a rainbow cake.
Okay, here we go. You know, I think this one is my favorite because it has a rainbow outside and inside.
I got a feeling that a slice of that cake is going to be the highlight of our crafting adventure.
Let's see if you're right.
Oh, wow!
Oh, I really can't decide which one of these cakes is my favorite. Hope you like them too. Bye!
Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for being with us today. Bye!